Yeah, back with another video. Told you it was coming soon. Amp installation and sub here today. Not by myself, got a little help. Kendall, say what's good. What's good, Kendall? Co-worker, cool dude. We're gonna knock this out today, show you how easy it is. Ain't nothing to it. 2012 Chevys in general, easy to take them off anything before 14. This whole cover piece, don't know really what to call it. Be careful because it's in by clips. You gonna have to tug on it. But track is neutral. After you get that pulled out, you can throw it back in park or whatever. I got the hand brake applied. There's 2 clips. They pull right on out. 3 actually, depending on what kind you got. And 7mm bolts. Got the old handy DeWalt. I ain't spending all that money on no Milwaukee right now. Clips to remove the HVAC system. Keep all my screws in the cup holder or chains or ashtray. Six bolts, ain't really nothing to it. Cover and everything will come out. Now I really didn't show y'all why I was changing this. My RCA cables, I already had it installed. It broke. The tip of it did on the other end that goes into the amp. So I'm not showing y'all how to put the radio in. This is just amp and subs really. So might show that at a later date if I ever change it or decide to get rid of the truck. I'm keeping that that radio. I love it. Apple CarPlay, Android Play, navigation, Bluetooth, aux, all that. Even got a review camera. I ain't did that yet. I might. All for like $280 off of Amazon. That ain't bad at all. That's the one that broke off into my damn amp. I mean my amp. Yeah, so we're gonna be replacing these. These came with my radio and the kit that I bought the first time. Now, nothing special at all. Just a 17 foot, RCA cables from AutoZone. I think they were like 12 bucks. Alright, got the RCA cables ran through the truck now. About to hook it back through to the radio. We're just gonna run straight through it. Alright, this is the amp I'm running. It's a Bazooka 1500 watt amp. It's gonna knock 2 subs. I only got a 110 JL audio. That one is not staying in the car. I got 2 12s on the way with a box that runs under the seat. I might update y'all on that when I get it, but let's hop on into it. All right, so like I said, I already had some of this already pre-wired. This is the only thing that we changed. Your mic wire, I ran that from behind the radio. Same, all of this was ran the same way as that RCA cable. It's just picking your spots. The power that runs from the battery, all you really got to do, I'm gonna show you under the hood too, is find where your firewall meets the inside of the truck. So it should be a hole. Sometimes you might have to drill one, and you can run it the same way I did the RCA cable. It's not hard at all. This all might change soon anyway, so I might end up showing you how to do it anyway. I said anyway like 3 times. But alright, so on your amp, show the people, man. You got 12 volt remote and ground. Remote goes in the middle. Remote wiring. I got it unplugged from the battery right now, so if you were trying to do this while that shit was plugged up, probably gonna spark yourself up a little bit. Ain't nothing but 12 volts though. Alright, so that's that. RCAs go on the other side. Put it in the output. Red. This right here, it'll be clear, black, white. Most of the time on the amp it's gonna be on white. So everything is installed. Might give a little sneak peek. that's a wrap. Stay tuned to what we got coming next. Might be a surprise truck. Amp and subs are done. Check my Instagram out to see what that sounds like. Let's thank Kendall. Stay tuned. Roll the outro.